GME stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether GameStop stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. I'm seeing a good increase that actually kind of happened last hour of the trading day, and it was like 5% increase in price. I mean, this is how my chart looks like, and I was waiting for this for a very long time, and actually was waiting for a double break, so it just kind of went out without me. But bias wise, it's phenomenal. I mean, context done, I have done 32,000 videos and I've spent thousands of dollars in course. So I'm interested right now, specifically with GME, I still want to take it up. Now we're sitting here. Maybe if it goes down yet again, looking for another entry. But it's also like sometimes the price is going to deliver without me being involved. And that is completely normal and it's completely fine. Like, I really would not budge. Like, it is what it is, right? So that's how GME looks like for me. Beautiful buys though. If you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter, first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.